Today we will review the OnePlus 10 Pro 5G. One of the most enticing features of the OnePlus 10 Pro 5G is its camera. For imaging, the device has a second generation Hasselblad camera that captures 1 billion colors, which is way better than the first gen Hasselblad camera. It processes 64 times more color information. The rear-facing camera setup includes a 48 megapixel primary camera. It also has a 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera that has a 150-degree field of view, giving you wider shots than the previous generation. On the front, the device has a 32 megapixel camera. The OnePlus 10 Pro 5G is equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 mobile platform. In comparison with its predecessor, the processor allows up to a 30% saving in power consumption. And the CPU is 10% faster, implying that the phone is blazing fast. The OnePlus 10 Pro has a large screen with a QHD plus AMOLED fluid display, offering higher pixel density compared to FHD displays. This also means you get a sharper picture quality and better viewing experience compared to the other displays in this segment. Not only do the display capture 1 billion colors, the refresh rate changes from 1 Hz to 120 Hz based on your phone usage. The 120 Hz fluid AMOLED display gives you class-leading color accuracy. The device is powered by a 5000 mAh dual-cell battery that supports 80-watt Super VOOC fast wire charging and 50-watt Air VOOC fast wireless charging. You can crank it up to the highest quality settings and your phone will still run for a full day. Also, you can get a day's charge in just 15 minutes. And here comes the highlight for all the gamers out there. The HyperBoost gaming engine in the OnePlus 10 Pro accelerates the GPU and the CPU for next level gaming, offering a seamless experience during long gaming sessions. The OnePlus 10 Pro comes in 2 amazing color options, Emerald Forest and the Volcanic Black. The OnePlus 10 Pro's ceramic rear camera module is durable and eye-catching. The back cover of the phone looks great with a sandpaper texture. The phone offers you 2 variants of memories and storage to choose from. Additionally, the phone offers dual SIM card slot and offers great 5G connectivity as well. Talking about the OS, the phone runs on the Oxygen OS 12.1 based on Android 12.1. The device has got an in-display fingerprint reader. It also includes stereo speakers and Dolby Atmos support. So finally, to sum up some of the most interesting and exclusive features of this phone, I would say that it has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 mobile platform processor, the second generation Hasselblad camera, and a 150-degree ultra-wide camera. The OnePlus 10 Pro is actually a pretty solid flagship phone, and you should definitely consider buying it for its unique features. I hope you guys found this video to be useful. Thanks for watching.